Hello there, this is Mr. Baker, and we are working on two-step equations with addition. So let's jump into our problem. Our problem starts off by saying Freddie has 5 more than 3 times Bobby's money. If Freddie has $65, how much does Bobby have? So we have two boys who are at the mall, and they both have a certain amount of money. So here we'll go ahead and start off by drawing our two boys, our two junior high school students who are wandering the mall with some money and they are looking forward to spending. We have Freddie, which we will use the variable f, and we'll use Bobby, which will use the letter B to represent Bobby. So we have two boys, and so what we're going to do is we're going to start off by circling, or actually blocking, the last sentence, because the last sentence of a word problem always tells us what we need to do. So if Freddie has $65, how much does Bobby have? So we have a few things that we know. We know that Freddie has $65 and Bobby, we're not really sure. So we're gonna use the variable B to represent the amount of money that Bobby has. So let's write this as an equation. So here's our equal sign. Since it's an equation, we have an equal sign. And so we do know some information. 5 more, which represents 5 more. So we do know that it's more than what? 3 times what Bobby's money is. So 3 times what Bobby's money, which is B. So we all know that all of this on the left-hand side of the equation represents what Freddie has, which happens to be $65. So let's write that in. So what we've been learning is that our inverse operation, and in this case our inverse operation of addition, is going to be subtraction. So let's go ahead and put a subtraction sign right underneath that. And we're going to use it on both sides. So we're going to subtract 5 from both sides. Now when we subtract 5 from both sides, the plus 5 and the minus 5 cancel each other out, leaving just the 3b. Here's our equal sign. 65 take away 5 happens to be 60. So now I have 3b equals 60. So I'm going to go ahead, 3 multiplied by b equals 60. The inverse operation of multiplication, here's our second step, is going to be division. So we'll divide both sides by 3. That becomes 1, leaving us with b. 60 divided by 3 is 20. So let's go ahead and put this back into our original equation, 3b. So we're going to say b is 20. Add 5 more. That should equal 65. 3 times 20 is 60. Add 5. Yes, sirree, it does equal 65. It checks out. And that concludes our lesson for today. Good luck.